Hello everybody, this is Teacher Leroy from the Chalkboard Academy.
Here at Chalkboard Academy, we specialize in preparing our students for PSLE English. However, my true specialty is in writing. I love writing and I love teaching writing, and I have published short stories, books and graphic novels such as these. Besides teaching our students how to ace their PSLE English Paper 1 and Paper 2 components, the Chalkboard Academy also specializes in writing workshops which feature special genres like science fiction.
Learn to write science fiction, explore new worlds and fight against alien invaders.
Fantasy stories.
Learn to write fantasy stories about magical lands and creatures.
As well as superhero comics.
Or learn to write a comic book about vigilante heroes fighting crime.
Here at Chalkboard, we are very serious about preparing our students for their English exams and teaching them how to write well. But we are also very serious about having fun!
Pew, pew! Pew, pew! Pew, pew!
If you'd like to find out more about us, you could drop us an email or give us a call. You can also find us on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as YouTube. Or maybe you'd like to visit us personally. Well, we're located in the middle of Marine Parade Central. I hope to see you soon. Bye!